He will just knock out and when he take a start out hospital, he wake up in now. And all blood clot legacy gone. I don't joke play. A serious man. Yeah?
Sometimes when I tell you, I have to wonder if I true. I dream.
But you don't be licking man, I'm bomb cloud for you.
I'm licking man.
You might
Don't talk.
But when one don't forget you do the nail.
You know, you say next two up, you can't go deep.
Then when they get to the nail, you do the nail. Half a sight.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
never dream of the hood.
Really? When get in my life, but you get it.
Man,
Lick
walk
him.
straight.
Blood
Watch him
clot.
walk.
Don't the Rasta.
I will take a video. You remember nothing talk holy.
The Rasta say when him blood clot, the people them say, that's why he find himself. And he locked up blood clot and he lock up and you see foam.
Me always
before.
hey, me
The man
always
say foam, you know, frat, you know. I drown him to him, man, that alone would have killed him. If one call him, woman decide I'm in bed and I know say that happened to him, you know. When the woman jump up and see me, woman run left him to blood clot and go call one next door neighbor. And the next door neighbor come and say, then you know sister dead, him a go dead. No, come and call taxi and then I saw them take him out to blood clot and say stiff said here. And he don't know himself. And a hospital, when he get up to blood clot hospital, he find himself over in a 2 weeks. The man down there and the coma set so set we. Hard to pull out no blood clot. And some know say you see Duppy real, you know that? Duppy real, man. No, I don't say they send it Duppy, you know. You know say that Duppy there. You see woman where he not live with. I woman brother, you know. And the Rastaberry right and that he Duppy. We lick him. Alright, I win that, then bury him, you know. Where host them.
Say my ear when Rasta fucking sister.
And they go see blood clot and I say, oh, this bumbo clot grave that's on here around the house. I never know say woman brother buried there, you know. That foreign he go and drop off a building. So he look like that brother that did that fucking sister. Fi making serious of doing Rasta so. I saw me have to look on you know.
Every man will come there to going up broke up. Like him.
The man say, oh, you get to know say, I blood clot brother buried there. Yes, when he sit down to him and he say, he not come and find him.